How to change your name on account on FPL. So firstly, on the website, click on pick team, which is towards the top of the website, and then scroll down until you see admin to the right. Then click on user profile. Now from here, you can simply input your desired name change. So I'm going to change Minutemanual to Minuteman. And once you've done that, all you have to do is scroll down and then click on next. Then click on next again. Just scroll down to the bottom and click next until you get to the final page, update your details, click on no thanks, and then if we check my user profile, it will confirm that I've changed the name. So let's head over to mobile to see how it's done on there. So on the mobile app, you want to click on the more button to the bottom right of the app, and once you've done that, click on account details. You will then see your first and last name, and you simply go through the same steps that we just did on the website. Click on next, then click on next again, and it will then be done. So I really hope this did help, and if it did, please leave a like and a nice friendly comment, and also click the subscribe button to help Minutemanual get to 100,000 subscribers. Thank you very much.